So guys, what if the best iPad for most people in 2026 isn't the iPad mini 7? Right now, the iPad mini 7 is one of Apple's most powerful compact tablets, featuring the A17 Pro chip and Apple Intelligence support. But according to recent reports, the upcoming iPad 12 Gen could arrive with an A18 chip and Apple Intelligence, potentially making it Apple's best value iPad ever. So should you buy the iPad mini 7 today or wait for the iPad 12 Gen? That's exactly what we're going to find out. Before we begin, it's important to separate facts from rumors. The iPad mini 7 is an official Apple product with confirmed specifications. Apple officially ships it with the A17 Pro chip, Apple Intelligence support, and an 8.3-inch Liquid Retina display. The iPad 12 Gen, however, has not been officially announced. Current reports suggest Apple is preparing a new entry-level iPad with an A18 chip and Apple Intelligence support, but final specifications could still change before launch. Let's start with design. The iPad mini 7 is built around portability. At just 8.3 inches, it's incredibly easy to hold with one hand, making it perfect for reading, travel, note-taking, and gaming. You can easily carry it anywhere. The iPad 12 Gen is expected to continue Apple's larger entry-level design, likely retaining the same general look as the current model with an approximately 11-inch display. If portability matters most, the Mini immediately has an advantage. If screen size matters more, the iPad 12 Gen may be the better choice. The display is where these devices start to feel very different. The iPad mini 7 features an 8.3-inch Liquid Retina display with True Tone, P3 wide color support, anti-reflective coating, and full lamination. The screen looks sharp, vibrant, and premium. Meanwhile, reports indicate the iPad 12 Gen will likely continue using Apple's standard entry-level display technology. While larger, it may still lack some of the premium display features found on the Mini. For watching movies and multitasking, bigger is often better. For display quality itself, the Mini has the advantage. Performance is one of the biggest reasons people buy an iPad. The iPad mini 7 uses Apple's A17 Pro chip, which includes a 6-core CPU, 5-core GPU, and 16-core neural engine. This is a genuinely powerful processor capable of handling gaming, content creation, multitasking, and Apple Intelligence features with ease. It remains one of the fastest compact tablets available today. The rumored iPad 12 Gen could narrow that performance gap significantly. Multiple reports suggest Apple is preparing an A18-powered version of the standard iPad. If true, that would represent a major jump over the current A16 model and could bring Apple Intelligence support to Apple's most affordable tablet. Some reports have even suggested Apple tested A19 configurations, though A18 currently appears more likely. Artificial intelligence is becoming a major part of Apple's ecosystem. The iPad mini 7 already supports Apple Intelligence because of its A17 Pro chip and neural engine. Users can access writing tools, image generation features, smarter Siri functions, and future AI upgrades. One of the biggest rumored upgrades for the iPad 12 Gen is that it will finally bring Apple Intelligence to Apple's budget tablet lineup. If Apple includes the A18 chip, both devices may eventually offer very similar AI experiences. If you're a gamer, this comparison gets interesting. The iPad mini 7 benefits from the A17 Pro chip's advanced graphics capabilities. It handles demanding games smoothly while remaining extremely portable. Many gamers actually prefer smaller tablets because they are easier to hold during long gaming sessions. The iPad 12 Gen may offer excellent performance if it receives the A18 chip, but the Mini's combination of power and portability remains difficult to beat. Students often represent one of the biggest iPad audiences. The iPad mini 7 is ideal for carrying between classes, reading PDFs, annotating documents, and taking quick notes. However, when it comes to multitasking, split-screen work, presentations, and larger documents, screen size becomes important. The expected larger display on the iPad 12 Gen may provide a better experience for productivity-focused users. If you're spending hours working on assignments, that extra screen space can make a noticeable difference. For entertainment, both devices offer different advantages. The iPad mini 7 provides excellent image quality and portability, making it perfect for watching videos in bed, on airplanes, or while traveling. The iPad 12 Gen is expected to offer a larger viewing area, which naturally creates a more immersive experience for movies, YouTube videos, sports, and streaming content. If media consumption is your primary focus, the larger display could be a major selling point. Battery life is expected to be strong on both devices. Apple rates the iPad mini 7 for up to 10 hours of web browsing or video playback. The iPad 12th Gen will likely offer similar endurance. Long-term software support should also be excellent on both models. However, value may become the deciding factor. The iPad mini 7 commands a premium price because of its compact design and powerful hardware. The iPad 12th Gen is expected to remain Apple's most affordable iPad, potentially delivering Apple intelligence and strong performance at a much lower price. So here's the final verdict. If you want the most portable, premium, and powerful compact tablet Apple makes, the iPad mini 7 is an easy recommendation. It already offers the A17 Pro chip, Apple Intelligence, a beautiful laminated display, and excellent performance. But if current reports are accurate, the iPad 12th Gen could become one of Apple's best value products ever by bringing the A18 chip and Apple Intelligence to the budget iPad lineup. Tell us your opinion, guys. Subscribe the Upgrade Zone for next videos.